lovely people. How are you? How is your day going? Let me know in the comments down below. So if you read from my title, I have another new subscription. I had said before that I canceled a few subscriptions, and some subscriptions this month will be the last month because I kind of canceled it too late. So I'm adding new subscriptions to this channel so you guys can see other ones that you may never, let me try that again. You may have never heard of before, and this one I am really excited about. So this one here is called the GlitzGlamBox. Now this has only been for a few months that they had this, and I seen it on Instagram, and I'm like, let me look on YouTube if anybody reviewed it and see what it is. And I checked, and I believe V was the first one that I see unbox it, and it was last month that I seen it, and I'm like, oh my god, this subscription is truly amazing. This is a $15 a month subscription, and last month you got a full-size eyeshadow palette, and this month too. When I seen that spoiler, I was like, I'm buying that. So I got a 3-month subscription, and I always try new subscriptions for 3 months because 1 month might be bad, and you know, especially if they're a new company, you know, I want to try them out a few months because it's not fair the first or second month to kind of judge. But anyway, without further ado, I am so excited. So I literally just cut this. That is it. I think I told you it's only $15 a month, and I believe shipping is free. Now, I did message the company to see if they had any coupon codes, and they don't have any coupon codes to give out yet. So I don't have any for you to give, but $15 is a steal. So let's open this up. All right. So this is what it looks like. Oh, let's see what that says. That's what it looks like when you open it up. So it comes very good packaged. And this says GlitzGlamBox, GlitzGlamBox. Okay, that's the sticker. All right, what is this? It says, Anne, thank you for your order. Free gift enclosed. Ooh, and they handwritten that. I love that company still when they handwrite stuff. All right, let's see what's in here. That's exciting. All right, and then there seems to be another card inside. All right, so this says, GlitzGlamBox, make my wish come true, chunky glitter mix, right there. All right, so what is this? All right, okay, so this is just glitter, like chunky glitter. You guys can see. All right, let me do a little swatchy swatch. Let's see if I can open this up. It might be taped, no? All right. Ooh, oh God, that's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see without me spilling it. I'm not sure. Oh, I just spilled it. So I can't do it like a swatch because I'll need some like glitter glue to kind of hold it on. Let's see if I can get it on my finger so you guys can see. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that or not. I hope that you can. It's really pretty. It has like gold and pink and silver glitter. So that's good. So that was a free gift. All right, so then you get this card which says GlitzGlamBox, glam all over the world. And then it tells you what it includes. It doesn't give prices, but that's all right with me. I mean, it's only $15 a month, so I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So it looks like it comes with it's all packaged up, and then this is empty. So I guess it's green for St. Patrick's Day. All right. So I don't know if I told you, this is the March 2019. It says first class memory. So that's cute. Oh, how it has the stickers. All right, I'm excited. So let's open her up and see. All right, so the first thing, okay, so there's a few things in here. So the first thing I see is some Milante Beauty eyelashes. So, you know, this box is Glitz Glam, so it's always going to have like some glam. All right, where did I put that card? Okay, let's read up a little bit about it. What does it say? It just says Fox Glam Lashes by Milante. You can either got beauty and styles, you could have got chic or jealous. And what did I get? I got the chic. So there we go. Now I don't personally wear eyelashes, but my daughter does. So I will definitely give that to her. The next thing is some more glitter. This is Glitz Glitter Shot. So I guess it just comes in this like little tube right there. And what does this say? So Glitz Glitter Shot by GlitzGlamBox, shades vary. So I guess they make their own glitter. And I don't know what shade this is. I have no idea. But it's like a goldish. Let's see if I can open it up. I'm going to spill it. Come on. What the heck? Okay, it's coming. All right. So this is like a greenish, goldish color. I don't know if you guys can see. Very, very pretty. Really pretty. So that would go good with a green eye look, you know, to put this right on top. All right, two more things. So we got an eyeliner, and this is in the shade Genie. Let's see what this says. Okay, Glitz Glitter Eyeliner by GlitzGlamBox, shade Genie. So that's good. They make their own, I guess, do they? Kohl Eye Pencil Crown. So I guess they make their own eyeliner. So I guess this is from their brand. Oh, that's pretty. This is like a dark green, like a, oh my God, that's beautiful. That will look gorgeous with an eyeshadow look, with this on your waterline, with that glitter on top. That is pretty. And last but not least, we got an eyeshadow palette, guys. All this for $15. So let's see. This says, where are you at? 14 pan eyeshadow palette by Rude Cosmetics, London, Tokyo, or Rio. By Rude Cosmetics. So what did I get? Which one is this? Rio 14? I'm not sure. All right, but that's what the packaging looks like. That's on the back. All right. So it has the same packaging on here. So let's see. Oh, it comes with, oh, this is beautiful. So let me push this back. It comes with a mirror. Guys, look at this palette. So it has the greens and everything, like, you know, for St. Patrick's Day. This glitter will go perfectly, and the eyeliner will go perfectly. And then I guess if you want to put on lashes, you know. So it gives you everything to glam. I'm going to do some swatches. I mean, guys, I can't get over this. $15. Last month it sold out, and that palette was really pretty for Valentine's Day. It was like more of like kind of like the eye look I have now. Really pretty. This is beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So there was 3 different styles you could have got. So there's that. All right, let me go in with the other shades. Okay, so here's the next 4. It's not in order because I messed up, but oh my God, so pretty. So there we go. So the black, let's see if the black is buildable. So black is not as pigmented. Oh yeah, it's definitely buildable. Can you see that? That is good. All right, let me get my wet one here. Okay. So let me swatch the rest. All right, where did I leave off? Okay. This is so, I know I keep saying it's pretty, but it really is. All right, so there's the next 4. And when I seen this, I was hoping to get this palette. So I'm glad I got this one. So there we go. Oh God, look how I'm doing it. Really pretty. And the last 2 are like lighter shades right there. So I don't even know if they'll be, if you will see them right there. So this is really pretty. It really, really is. And for $15, I think this is definitely a winner. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you heard of this subscription? Let me know. I really think it's great. So let's recap. So what does it say where the shade is? I mean, which one? Because you could have got 3 of them in London, Tokyo, or Rio. I have no idea, guys. So I don't know which one I got, but I got the one that has the more green pigments in it. And then we got this eyeliner, which is gorgeous. This will go perfectly. It's like a darkish, kind of like a blackish green, but it has green in it. That will look great on the waterline. And then right here, you have some glitter, which when you do your makeup, you go in with a little, make sure you go in with the glitter glue. And put that a little bit on top. If you want to go out and jazz it up, you don't have to use this, but if you want to jazz it up, it will look so pretty. And then we got the lashes, which would really glitz up your look. And then I got the free gift for signing up. So that's great. And it's a handwritten note, which I love. I really like this subscription. I will leave everything down below. Like I said, right now they told me because they're just starting up, they don't have any coupon codes to give out. But yeah, I loved everything. Let me make sure. Is that everything? Let's see. Did anything else say on here? Oh, it says here code sub40 for 40% off of all glitter orders. So if you want to go on their website right there at GlitzGlamBox, and if you want to get any glitter, put in the code sub40 for 40% off. So that's good. And I will also leave the link down below, their Instagram link, if you want to check them out and see if they also have a page. I forget how I had to sign up. I think they have a regular web page. But anyway, I'll leave everything down below. If you're wondering what is on my eyes, I tell you guys at the end of each video. So this is from ColourPop. This is with the Bret Michael. Oh my God, who remembers Bret Michael? Oh my God, I was in love with him. I used to have posters all over. But Bretman Rock, and he had the Lit and the Wet collection. This is the Lit collection, and these are the shades right here. And I tried all the colors except for this yellow that is on my eyes today. And I really like this palette. Is it something like I couldn't live without? No. But I think for the price, it's really good, and I really like it. I definitely recommend this. And I like the smaller palettes. And you know, sometimes when you have bigger palettes and it's like, and you have so many different color eyeshadows, I even get like, okay, well, what colors do I want to use? It's so much to choose. But when you have a little palette like this with all the colors that kind of match, you can't go wrong. It's really nice. And this is also good for traveling. And I like that it's cardboard, and I like the fact that you can, you know, push it all the way back as well. So that's everything. I am babbling now. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my, oh, don't forget I leave videos right here in case you want to check them out. And I still have that 2-year giveaway going on, so make sure you check that out too. It's over in a few days. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.